Lo and behold, they were on 50% sale. Impromptu Carlo's Closet Tour. So, kadate. Nooks. Tapos tingnan nyo yung view. Ang ganda. Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. First and foremost, apologies for the messy hair. I just woke up. I'm a very busy person and I try to shoot the vlog whenever I have time, and that includes literally just right after waking up. Anyway, for this episode, this is kind of like part 2 to the previous episode where we talked about the broken-hearted Yeezy. If you didn't see that, check that out. Because yung episode na yon, that ended with me boarding the car and we were about to go to BGC to do an errand. Now, the amazing thing is, when I was in BGC, after the errand, we were near Nike BGC, I decided to drop by the Nike shop. And lo and behold, they were on 50% sale on almost everything. From the apparel, to the running shoes, to the lifestyle sneakers, to the basketball shoes. It was mind-blowing, insane 50% off. And I ended up copying 2 shoes, which I will unbox for you guys today. And then after the unboxing, I'll bring you guys along with me because I'm going to go to Tagaytay. I need to do a video and I'll just share with you a quick teaser of what that video is. I have 2 phones with me right now and I want to do a comparison of the photography. Now that will be a separate vlog. I'm just sharing with you the reason why I'm going to Tagaytay. This is the new Huawei phone and this is the Samsung Ultra. And I'll test out the zoom capabilities. Hopefully we get to take good shots of the Taal Lake or something. I hope it doesn't rain. But anyway, so yeah, I'll bring you guys along with me. Let's go. Let's jump right into the unboxing. I have 2 sneakers that I want to share with you guys, both of which I got at 50% off. The first one is this, which is the Nike React Phantom Run Flyknit 2. So to those who don't know, this is like the Nike React Epic React Flyknit, but without laces. So bam, this is what it looks like. Take a closer look. So you have some sort of like ribbed upper in the midfoot area. You have that swoosh at the middle of a little above the toe box. You have that Flyknit material for the entire upper, making it breathable and flexible. So making it super comfortable. Of course, at the bottom, you have the React midsole and you have that outsole over here to protect the React foam. So it looks really nice. If you look at the back, it says Phantom, and then the other one I think says React or something. And this one is actually the sneaker that I'll be wearing with me. I'll be wearing today as I head on over to Tagaytay. So again, take a look at that, guys. I got this I think for a little over 3,000. If the SRP of this is around 7 or 6, then it should be half that. So not a bad deal, right? Second shoe that I got was also another running sneaker, primarily because I've always wanted to have this. But I never got around to buying it because I just couldn't bring myself to paying for it full price. But hey, at 50% off, I think it's a good deal. So this is the Nike Zoom Pegasus Turbo 2. So it's a Turbo 2 Nike Pegasus. So I actually have a shipment coming in, I think tomorrow, of the Pegasus 37 and the Pegasus 37 Fly East. So expect the reviews and comparisons of those sneakers in the coming days ahead. So anyway, let's pop the box open. This is in this really nice color. Oops. So really loving this color. You have some sort of like beige or almost green interspaced with black. And then you have that really nice giant orange swoosh. And then of course you have the Zoom X midsole. So this is supposed to be super comfy. Heskix, one of our favorite sneaker YouTubers, called this one of the most comfortable sneakers he's worn. So super excited to try it out myself. So maybe instead of the Phantom React, I'll go with this one instead, because I'm really curious as to how comfy this is. This wasn't the only sneaker, or these 2 weren't only the sneakers on 50% off. If you were lucky enough to drop by the Nike BGC store, most of the running shoes, from all the Epic Reacts to all the lifestyle shoes, such as the, I don't know what they call that, Air Max 270 React ENG. They had Air Max 90s, they had Air Force Ones, and just a great selection of lifestyle sneakers all on 50% off. If you move up to the second floor BGC, they had a couple of Jordans. They had a few LeBrons, all of which again were on big discount. So yeah, if you were lucky enough, congratulations to you. You're probably able to cop good shoes. Now, to those who weren't able to drop by Nike BGC, what I'll do is I'll link down below to a couple of sneakers that you can buy on sale on the Nike Philippines website that I think are good deals. So just head on over down pinned in the comment section and I'll list down some good deals that I find on Nike Philippines. Okay, with that said, I will get prepared. I'll get ready to go to Tagaytay. I'm excited to have bulalo again, and I will bring you guys along with me. See you in a bit. Okay, so I have a very special treat for you guys. I'm going to give you an impromptu Carlo's closet tour. So this is one of the closets that I have here in the YouTube studio. So most of the expensive clothes that I have are here. Well, not most, but some, okay? So, but before anything else, I just want to show you a very special package. So this is the Project 721 shoebox tag face mask. So this will be coming out, I think, second week August or third week August. So make sure that you guys watch out for this. Project 721 is our merch brand. So we have t-shirts, we have face masks, and a bunch of other stuff, even like side bags. I'll put a link down below to the website where you can order our merch. So again, Project 721 shoebox tag face mask coming really soon. So this is where most of the off-white shirts are. So you have off-white, like a mahilig sa off-white, you know? This looks nice. So this is, I think, the Futura, I don't know how you pronounce it, collaboration with Virgil Abloh. I'll probably go with the jacket. So yeah, let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dusty. Say hi to the vlog. Bye-bye to the vlog. So guys, ito ang in-order namin sa Leslie's. We have their special bulalo, liempo, calamares, and of course, kadate. Looks, tingnan niyo yung view, ang ganda. So there we go. So kain muna kami, tapos balik tayo sa vlog. So we're actually stuck here in the middle of nowhere. We're here at SLEX Mamplasan. Mamplasan, tama, that's the Shell gas station. So the original plan was to drop by Hacienda outlet, designer outlet. But when we arrived there, apparently hindi pwede kasi hindi kami resident ng Cavite. And you need a Cavite quarantine pass to be able to enter. So that was negative. So on the way home, sinubukan namin dumaan sa Nike outlet here since we were already in the area. But apparently they close early. So it's just 5:30 pero sarado na sila. So we're stuck in the middle of nowhere with really bad rain. And I want to take advantage of this opportunity by asking the wife yung tanong ninyo sa akin, yung phone-in question ninyo sa last vlog, which was, is it okay for a guy to sell a sneaker gift from his girlfriend or wife? So if you're curious to hear what my wife has to say about that, keep on watching. And by the way, after the wife answers, she'll probably talk about some of the shoes that she gave me. So I'll end the vlog by showing you some of those shoes at home kasi nandun pa rin sila. So let's go!
Depends on the thought of the girlfriend nung binili niya yung shoes. Kasi some girlfriends actually probably thought na baka may pwede siyang mabigay na later on pwedeng ibenta. Di baka nasa intention naman talaga yun nung girl. In that case, okay lang ibenta kasi yun naman talaga yung intention in the first place. But for most women, they actually put a lot of thought on how their boyfriend would look or how their boyfriend or partner would like the sneakers. So ako, for example, when I buy for Carlo, I always think about whether it's his favorite color, susuotin ba niya, babagay ba sa mga alam kong sinusuot niya. So in that case, medyo nakaka-offend yun pag binenta nung guy or kung ibenta ni Carlo. Like yung mga sneakers niya, binabantayan ko talaga na nandun lagi sa room niya, and gusto ko nasa magandang place ng room niya, like literally a good shelf. Kasi it shows na he valued the thought that I put into it. Whether, hindi naman mahal yung mga nabibili ko for Carlo, at least not like yung talagang nabibili niya for himself. But I always try to think na bagay yun sa kanya and he will enjoy wearing it. Like, meron pa akong binili, like, kunwari for flat-footed people. Talagang may ganung thought pa ako, ni-research ko pa. So, it feels nice that he takes care of it, that he keeps it, and even if meron na siya ibang binibenta, keep lang niya yon kasi I put a lot of thought into it. So, yeah.
Okay, so major traffic jam. Apparently, there's an accident according to Waze. So, hopefully it's not bad. And kung sino man yung involved sa accident, hopefully it's okay. Hey everyone, so we're back here in the condo, in the YouTube studio. That was a pretty long day went all over Tagaytay, the south. Happy to be back home. And as promised, I'll just share with you the sneaker that my wife was talking about. So this is one of the OG, not OG, wow, my hair is really a mess. Huh. I need the haircut. But anyway, so this is the Adidas Ultra Boost Stability. So ST, so it has like a shank, some sort of like plastic support over here, which is supposed to give your arc better support. So people with flat feet and wide feet should be able to enjoy this more. But anyway, so I've kept this ever since she bought it for me. I don't think I will ever let go of it. So I just wanted to show it to you guys. So yeah, that wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, apologies for the really messy hair. What a day. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom. Oh, Dusty. Oh, diba guys? Best investment ever for cat lovers out there. Woohoo!